Welcome. Today in front of me Cubot R19, and I'll show you fingerprint scanner test on this device. So here on the back side of our device we got the fingerprint scanner, and I just set my fingerprint a couple of seconds ago, and now I'll show you just how fast the fingerprint scanner is on Cubot R19. So let's start. I'll make it a couple of times to show you the difference. If you wanna just see, I just use the simple touch, and as can you see, the fingerprint works really fast. So if you just like to use the some of screen protection, I suggest you to use the fingerprint scanner here on this device, but for sure the fingerprint scanner have to be just clean as your fingers to do that really fast. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to leave thumbs ups, the comments, and to subscribe our channel. Bye.